everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through how to create Facebook account without email and phone number. If you want to create unlimited Facebook account without any phone number or email address, then this video is for you. To do so, first of all, open any browser you have in your device. For now I am choosing Safari. Once you are on your browser, there search for facebook.com and hit on the create new account. From here, add your name and hit on the next. Then choose your birth date as well. Choose your gender and hit on the next. Now on the email address part, go through the browser again and then search for temp email address. Open the first website, then it will generate automatically a temp email address. Simply hit on the copy icon and then paste it over the email address part and hit on the next. Now you have to create a strong password. Create the password and hit on the next, and you have easily created a new Facebook account. So in this way you can easily make unlimited Facebook account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.